everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change Weverse currency. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Weverse has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to change the currency, first of all, go to the shop interface. Tap on the shop option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the shop interface. Right now all the prices are being displayed in US dollars. That means USD is selected as currency right now. So if you want to change the currency, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see the menu over here. You'll be able to find various options like country or region, order history, returns and exchanges, etc. At last you'll be able to find the option for currencies. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various currency options over here. The options are limited. You'll be able to find specifically 5 options for currencies. So simply tap on the currency that you want to change to. Now after you do that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here the currency has been changed. Now over here, if you view the products, the prices will be displayed in the currency that you changed to. So that is how you change currency on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.